Hello, today is the time for the weekly reading from 8th March to 14th March. Let's start with the fire sign Aries, Leo, Sag. So let's get it together. Aries, Leo, Sag. Aries, the card is Star, Leo, the King of Wands, and Sag is the Cups. So, Aries, you are going to be a star this week, and everything is going to be in your favor. You are going to be a shine, you are going to shine like a star this week, so everything is going to be great for you this week, Aries. As let's go to the Leos. So you are going to be really working hard this week, and your passion for lust also will be high. So do meet your partner this week, because you are going to have a good time with your partner, and you are going to really work hard this week, and you are going to get the fruits out of that hard work. This is the read for Leos. And let's go to Sagittarius. Ace of Cups. So you are going to get some good news related to your emotions, and that news will be really good, or you're going to get a new offer of love in this week, Sagittarius. So think nicely that whether you should accept that offer or not. Let's see the advice cards for the three signs in combination, right? So fire signs Aries, Leo, Sag. So there will be a reconciliation, or there will be some good news coming to you, Aries, Leo, Sag. And though along with it, in the mid of the week, some depression moments, some depressing moments will be there. Some clash of words will be there in the mid of the week. So just ignore that, because at the end of the week, it will be all cool. Not much, but it will be cool. But start of the week is very good for you, Aries, Leo, Sag. So all the best for you guys. So let's go to the air signs, that is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's go to the Geminis, the Fool, Librans, Ten of Cups, and Aquarius is the Wheel. So Geminis, there will be a new start in some kind of a new venture, or you're going to get a new job, or you're going to start a new job this week, or you will be starting something new this week, leaving the past behind. And this week is will be really good for you. You will be really in a very happy mood this week. So all is fine in your thing. So you will be very like kiddish, you will be feeling like very energetic this week, very happy. And if you're having a pet at your home, then I'm sorry for my voice, because my throat is not feeling well right now, so sorry for the voice. So if you are having a pet at your home, just do take care of the pet, because your pet needs your attention, your pamperness, as you were missing it since last many weeks. So do give some pamperness, or give some goodies to your kid, so your pet, so that pet should be also happy along with you, right? So this is your read, Cancerians. Let's go to the Scorpios. Is Ten of Cups. You are going through some kind of a emotional stress right now, Scorpios, as always, because you people are quite emotional in your nature, Scorpios. So you must be feeling little depressed, but just mind it, this is the last phase of your unhappiness, right? You just have to just wait. This phase is about to get over soon. So just let it go, just let it pass. Whatever you're going through, just be calm, be patient. You're going to be patient this week, definitely, but don't react to any other thing. So don't get anxiety attacks or something. Just wait for a while, and this phase is soon going to get over, and you will be having a new thing in your pocket. So let's go to the Pisces, and that is the Wheel. So some changes you can expect in this week. You are going to change some kind of make some changes at your working place, or at your home. Some changes you are going to make, or you are going to make some you're going to have some small journey or something. You're about to make a move. Just be careful with the health, because I can sense some kind of a health issues. I am picking up a health energies in this read. So just take care of the health, Pisces. So let's see the advice cards for the 3 altogether. So I can see that Cancerians, again the same thing is there, that some good news are definitely there in the cards I can pick, that yes, good news is definitely there. You will be rewarded this week. You will be in a very happy moment, but don't forget to take care of your pet, because your pet really needs it, as you earn this happiness yourself with your hard work. So this is your thing to have it. And Scorpions, this is the last phase of your emotional trauma, and soon it's going to get over. And you will be you are expecting some kind of a news from far off place, and that will be there by the end of the week or the coming week. That yes, that will be there, and someone will come in support to you, in support of your this trauma. Some healer or some friend or someone will be there to help you out to come out of this thing, right? And Pisces, some good news is definitely coming at a very fast speed to you. So expect some big good news, and which is going to change the course of whole action for you for this coming time. The whole phase of the life will be changed, right? So this was the read for the water signs. Let's move to the air signs. So let's go to the air signs: Geminis, Librans, and Aquarius. Gemini, expect some good news related to money coming this week for you, right? And let's see the advice card also side by side, Geminis. So you were expecting some good news this week, and you will be getting some good news, but somehow you were not seem to be satisfied this week related to that news. You will be thinking that something is been missing. I am seeing that emotional part of your really needs to be checked, right? That thing that thing is something really you need right now. Other than money, you need to be fulfilled with the emotions this week. So just take care of your emotional part, because that is something which is going to lack your happiness, right? So Librans, the Chariot. So some short journeys, some short movements I can see in this read for you. And I can see that some god power will be with you, some supernatural power will be with you to help you out to pass this week. And you will be in kind of if you were in a doubt what to do, what not to do, or you will be in a doubt what to do, what not to do, then by the end of the week you will reach to the conclusion, because some kind of angel power will be with you this week to help you pass through this stage. Let's see the advice. Seven of Swords. Just don't miss out the work just because of love issues or other issues in the world. Just concentrate more on the work and on the communication skill. If you are missing out the like, if people wants to come to you, if people wants to communicate, if you're in a communicating kind of a business, then don't leave that thing just for the heck of other things, right? And the last is Aquarius, justice. So you will be quite, uh, justiceful whole of the week. You will not be able to, what you say, that you will not be able to tolerate injustice this week. You will be very clear in your thoughts this week, Aquarius. You know what to do ahead, what not to do. You will be doing some kind of a plannings for your future this week. Something or the other will lead you to make to make you feel that you should have a planned future. You should be planning a future in this week. So let's see what is the advice card, the Tower. So this week, Aquarius, I can see that some bad news will be coming, and which is going to shake you up. So that is why that you are going to that is why you are going to plan for your future. That is why you are going to think about your future, that what to be done, so that you should have enough finances for or bread and butter for the stormy nights ahead. So this was your read, air signs. Now let's move to the earth signs. Earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So let's start with the Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. King of Cups. So you will be emotional this whole week. You will be feeling good according to your emotions, and you are going to be like spending some of your finances over your own decorations at home or on yourself. You will be buying some new clothes, perfumes, or something like this. You are going to buy something in blue for yourself, and you will be fulfilled with the emotions. So don't be that over emotional this week, my dear ones, because that is not going to give you good results. So yeah, that is good, that to pamper yourself this week. You're going to pamper yourself with some gifting yourself some good money, or gifting yourself some good presents. Advice of the week is Page of Pentacles. So some you can expect some kind of a money rewards this week for you, some good rewards, some good news is coming uh, on the it's on the way to you. So expect some kind of a good clarity, right? Let's go to the Virgos. So you are waiting for something to happen in your life that is going to change your life for the betterment. Can see some kind of a that right now you are in some kind of a shadows, or there's a cloudy uh, environment around you, that you want to come out of it, you want to go out and have fun. So that is something, the waiting game is still on in this week, but you were at the end of the week or something like that, you will find out some kind of a solution, Virgo. So let's see the what you say advice. 10 of wands. So this is the last phase of your pain. I hope some good time is coming to you related to your money, right? Yes, related to money, I suppose. So I hope so some the work you have closed long back, or has gone null, it's going to take a start this week, Virgos. Let's go to the Capricorns, the Death. And that itself is a Capricorn card, Death. So Capricorn, you are going to be like having some kind of bad news this week, some kind of a failures you can expect this week, but after that failure some good news will be there, something is going to change. Let's see the advice also this for you. Knight of Cups. So you're going to spend some good time along with your loved ones this week, which is going to keep you alive this week, kind of emotionally alive this week. So don't worry, nothing is not whole of it is not in a loss. Something is going to be really good for you coming this week. Some good news will be there up. Just this Death card doesn't mean that everything is shattered or scattered in pieces. No, some good news is there. So there will be a new beginning, and there will be a new growth feeling, and news is there in this week for you, Capricorns. So if you like it, the reading, that do hit like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you.